What's up, guys? It's my footage just got corrupted. Just got corrupted. My footage got corrupted. Hello, Pablo. No joke. My footage actually got corrupted though. So I did a little off-cam grinding. Um, Basically, I uploaded like 300 videos, but the recording software wanted to be retarded, so yeah. We unlocked a lot of stuff. Programming Android. I don't know. What is this? Please don't. Like, what are half these things? Program Android? Sure. Database? Sure. Do a bit of more. Like, this is like half my money. It's not half, not even close. I just leveled up to level 9 off of that alone. Like, everyone has to be level 5 or else they're not actually useful to me. Cause if they're not level 5, they're hardly making any money. So let's actually level them all up to level 5. Once they're level 5, they can actually make money, which is good. Here, let me get you up a little, cause you're just the chief. Cause she's like the chief manager. Oh my god, you need to definitely level up. Cause if you don't level up, I'm also still losing money. Have you gone through database training? You have. What about programming Android trading? Here, you do a bit of that training. I feel like we unlock something. Here, you do a bit of that. I want you to get big brain. And, oh, I gotta level you up. So you're gonna be expensive. He's an astronaut. Look how much I'm paying him. And then he's not even my top employee, not even close. And I am paying him more than I'm paying my top employee. You guys believe that? I'm paying this man more than I'm paying my top employee. I'm paying this person more than I'm paying. Oh my god. Can I take a raise away from this person? No. Yes, you can have a $50 raise. Because I'm paying this person quadruple your money. So here. You know, the reason why I really just didn't want to level her up is because this right here. This right here. Have she gone through graphics and design? Next gen. Graphics and design. Self-develop. Whatever this is. Some more of this. Some more of this. Well, anyways, everyone's at the minimum level, level 5. I could probably get you level 7 real quick if I wanted to. I don't think he's gone through any of these 3 trainings. Actually, I don't think he's gone through any of the. Okay, yeah, just these 3. So first thing, level up. Second thing, in database. Database doesn't really do anything. It's just kind of a cheap way. I mean, I don't know why you need database training, sir. Like, I'm pretty sure my smartest, not the best employee I have. I have one employee better than you. But that's level 9 and level 8. They're my 2 first employees, and they're level 9 and level 8. And I'm playing you. I have 2 games running. I could have 3, but we're trying to really just get a grip right now. A grip on the one of. I'm trying to get grips on the games so that they don't just slip out my hands. And I start going bankrupt. Because I tried running 2 games before I was actually ready for 3 games. See, this one right here is called Candy Ball. That's one I had before. I think I'm just going to stick with that one because I've already gotten, like, decent amount of money off of it. I need to come back here and start making more money off of this. Like, I can make way more. Negative? It's small impact. What? Look at that. There's, like, small impact. This thing's making a little dent in my, not even a dent in my money. Well, everyone, get to work. I like this one-man moves. He goes play arcade, and he comes back, and the project's already finished. I can't believe this man. This man. Okay, everyone, see, I'm looking for speed. Cause y'all don't understand how trying to get the most money you can actually hurts you for some reason. We could start up another game easy, and it really wouldn't affect us too much. I just want this thing to start making thousands of dollars, like that, like it's already doing. But if it can make even more than this, that'd be even better. That'd be even better. You know, guys, it'd be even better. Cause I love when it's making $500,000 a second. I mean, look at that. Ho, ho, ho. This one seems to be the fastest. Ooh. Take. Which one is the fastest here? I believe it would be. So what? It's moving so fast. You, this project. I don't care. Here, take your $90 rate. What did I just? I gave someone a $100 raise. I don't think that was worth it. To be honest, personally, I don't believe a $100 raise was worth it. But you know, guys. So what are the things we can buy now? Yes, we do have 2 supercomputers. Not 1, but 2 supercomputers, guys. We're making them stacks. Well, I just wanted to see him. I'm paying this person 300. I'm paying him 1.7. I'm paying this person 500. That much. I'm paying. I believe it's her the most because I need to keep their motivation up. Because if you get their motivation high enough, you can get like speed search engine. I mean, well, I can only make 14-minute videos. But guys, if you want to see this thing go supersonic, I believe one game is like running out of time right now, so we might want to revisit. Look at that one, total profit. Look at that total profit. How long did this project take? Oh, we're done with the project. Well, that was quick. I was gonna be here for years. No. He demands it? Oh my god, he demands the money though? Like, I never knew someone could demand money from me. Just for the fact that you demanded it, I wouldn't even give it to you. If I could easily, I wouldn't give it to you because you just demanded it. Now, would PC help? It would not help me. Would this help me? It would help me. So let's grab that. Let's take this. What do we not need? I guess like multiplayer? Would you help me? You would not help me. Would you help me? You would help me. So I guess 3-dimensional graphics. I feel like this is a bad idea. You actually aren't helping me. Nothing else will help me. I think we've optimized. Ha. Okay, I think we optimized the amount of money we can make. Yeah, look at our. Okay, that kind of. I think the things we did kind of drop the market thing. The like. I guess love for the game. We might actually just want to. Actually, this money thing, I think we want to change it back. Oh, wait, I think that. You're not getting a raise. What? Imagine asking for a raise. That skyrockets promotion. But would they rather have this or that? Oh, they'd rather have multiplayer. Clearly, they love their multiplayer. Oh, that's a quick assignment. Are they? And we have no assignments here, so you might want to get working on an assignment there. I mean, these people got the easy life. I mean, code, finished your code. Okay, guys, we finished our code. Hopefully, Hopefully the person who pays us forgets about it for a while. I really hope the game doesn't go out, and that's basically all they do. Then why is it there? What? Promotion. 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 But, come on. Think about the issue. People like the fun station instead of you. What about music? No, I don't think I wouldn't like music myself. I think that should replace that and upgrade, and that's kind of like dumbing. Well, I don't think really. What about music? That increased it by not too much, but increased it. Ooh, look at that. See, guys, you go for the fast ones. The ones that the quickest one, because the quickest one will help you the most. Look at my team of professionals-ish. I mean, I have like one god. Basically, they're a god at this game. I'm not giving you a $50 raise. I mean, I couldn't, and it wouldn't hurt me, because I just made that much money off of the game. But, like, you would have took away all the profit from, like, one game. Okay, you wouldn't take away, you take, oh my god, I just realized how much profit these people are taking away from me. Would that actually help? No. Realistic graphics. Sandbox. I think they'd rather have sandbox rather than that. Yeah, let's look. No, they'd rather have music. What about this? That skyrockets back up. What about robot? Oh, even higher. What about music here? Oh, even higher. What about realistic instead of music? Oh, shoots it back down. What about realistic instead of robot? Oh, shoots it back down too. What about extended storyline instead of this one? That actually didn't make a difference. Wait, what? Wait, which one was that? Wasn't that Fun Station? Like, oh. It made a small impact, barely. Controller, try that. Controller really helped. No. An extended storyline didn't really make a difference. And if I come here, upgrade it won't help. Upgrade it won't help. I mean, it's kind of semi-garbage, but you know, gets the job done. I don't know why you have negative impact, but you know what? Okay. 10 months. I mean, I should go with it. It takes 1 year to make this update. Okay, everyone. You're getting a promotion. You actually deserve a promotion. So here, let me do something real quick. What? No, I want to give them like, what was it called? Company share. Look at the rest of them leaving. I mean, I wish we could get it to 0. But sadly we can't. That's gonna be the end of the video. I'll see you guys next time.